Hey y'all, it's Sophie. I just moved back into my apartment at school and I thought it'd be fun to give you guys a little room tour, and then if you want I can do a full apartment tour. So I'm just going to show you around my room and bathroom. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is like an overview of the room. Yeah, so I'll start from where we walked in. So it just has a little mirror on the back of the door. I just hung up a little like calendar and a little picture. I got a ton of stuff from Hobby Lobby and from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So yeah, the ceilings are super high. And then this is my bed. I just have actually the same monogram pillow from last year and some cheetah pillows I got at Hobby Lobby on sale, and this little throw. And then up here I did a little like gallery wall. I actually just got frames from the Dollar Tree. I always get frames from the Dollar Tree because they're $1. And I just found some free prints online and kind of formatted them the way I wanted, and then had them printed at Staples. So I really think that's a good idea if you guys are looking for a cheap way to make a gallery wall, because the whole thing probably costs less than like $15. So yeah, so then I have just a little side table here. I found this at Home Goods for really inexpensive. I think like $25. And then my lamp that I've had the last couple years in college, and just some of the things I use at night, like this lip balm I'm really liking right now from Glam Glow, which is really nice. And I put my rings here at night, and just little things I use like every night. And then this big wall is exposed brick, so I just thought it'd be fun to hang some like twinkle lights, because I do really like the wall, and I'm hoping eventually I'll make a headboard for here, but for now this is what I have. And then over here I have my desk, and I just have a little mirror there, and this is where it's my desk, but I use it as makeup. So I have all my makeup storage and a frame that I need to put a picture in, and then I have like the perfumes I'm using. Like right now this is my favorite stuff. It's by Sol de Janeiro. It's so good. So I just have my little things, my palette. Couldn't figure out a good way to store them, so I just have them stacked up here. My brushes and some lipsticks. And then because this doesn't have a desk drawer, I just have some storage bins down here where I put like extra product and just things like that. And then right here I have this really cute little plush, which is just like a seating thing, but my roommate has a dog that loves to sit on it. And then I have this big mirror, which I was looking for a perfect like mirror like this, and this one I found at Marshall's for like $39. That's really good for a big stand-up mirror. So I have that leaning against the wall. And then I have just this little rug. This is actually from Five Below, so it was $5. I like decorating, but I like cheap things. So yeah, I have just a little, also from Five Below, that little hanger to hang my robes. And then I have this huge closet. So I'll just show you how I've organized this, because it's literally massive. Like, let me stand back. It's just super tall. So I have like big storage things up at the top, toiletries, things like that, and then all my clothes over here, and just like extra storage, jewelry stuff, and shoes hanging. So yeah, I love the closet. It's literally giant. And then under here I just have some extra like drawers where I put my clothes, and I have some on that side. So yeah, this is my room, and I really love it. It has a giant window. So I'll show you the bathroom that I share in here. I'll show you. So there's two sides. This one's my side, and we did like pink, a lot of pink rugs. just some cute little decorations, mostly from TJ Maxx. And then I put all my like skincare stuff in here. So yeah, that's the stuff I use. And this is from Society 6, which is really cute. And then more Dollar Tree frames and free prints. And then back here we just have another pink little rug, also from TJ Maxx. Some cute little signs and a nice big shower. So yeah, so that's the bathroom. Oh, and we have this little stand that holds like extra toiletries and stuff. And then also some storage under here, which is pretty messy, but it's got like extra shower stuff, and I'm supposed to hang my heat tools on here, but I'm lazy and haven't done that. But yeah, so that's the room and bathroom. I really like it. It's so nice having my own room now. And I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna film probably a tour of the whole apartment. So if you like this, then I hope you like that too. But thanks for watching. Bye.